Guys, this time we received an iMac and the model A1419. The customer complained, the issue was he opened it. Uh, I don't know what's the reason. He said he did not upgrade the hard drive, and the RAM slot was backside. It's here. This is the RAM slot. And the opening, you just push this button inside and it will come out the cover. So I don't know what's his reason to open this device. And also he broke the screen. It's broken, but only the glass, the LCD, the display is okay. But now the problem is it don't have any display. When you turn it on, yeah, there's no display. It means he damaged something inside. So we're gonna find out what's the problem. We'll open this and we will see what's the problem inside. Guys, as you can see, cables are connected correctly, and I don't see any damage on the cable. and also the pins are intact, so I'll see. Guys, first thing you check if there is no display on an iMac is the pins, like here. If there's any broken pin, so maybe that's the problem. See all these pins, and as you can see here inside, these pins. But as I observe the pins on this one, the left side, I think there is a history of, like, I think he bent this one before. We will see on the microscope to check if it's like bended before. Guys, as you can see here, it's clean, and here this this pin, I think it's good, but the problem is it was bended before. So if the pin is okay, why there is no display? I think I noticed that this pin was repaired, so it means when they open the device, I mean the iMac, when they return it and they bended the pin, they notice it also and they fix it. So now it's in proper position. So why is it like there is still no display? So that's we're going to troubleshoot. Guys, like this problem, first thing first, so you should analyze the circuit here. As you can see, if they bended the pin and there's a short circuit, it means there's some parts here busted. As you can see, there's the fuse. This is the fuse. So if they bended the pin and it had a short circuit, so even if they fix the pin, it will not have any display, because I think this one now is open, it's busted. We will get a multimeter and check. It's good looking, but we will check. Guys, this one is open. This fuse is open, so it means they did not notice it. They fixed the pin, the bended pin, but they did not notice that the fuse was already busted. See, it's open circuit. Yeah, it's busted. So guys, I will just for now I'll just jumper the fuse so that I can show you if uh, only the fuse have problem. So I'll just it is not advisable, but for now I'll just do it. Then we will check if it's working. First thing you do, if like you're going to make a jumper on the fuse, you will make sure that there is no short circuit on the system, because if it happens that there is a short circuit, it will damage more of the IC or the connector. It will damage. So Make sure the cable is in a proper position, then slowly push until it reach the limit marker. Secure the cable with any strong adhesive tape. So now we will put the the screen, and we will check if there's a display. So guys, before I will close this one with the new adhesive, we will check if it's working, or the display is working. Okay, we will turn on the device. Yeah, so now it has a display, but the problem on this one, uh, he broke the LCD, so we cannot do anything about that one. Guys, my advice, if you are not a professional Apple service technician, do not open device like this. This customer did very wrong on his device. He opened it and he did not know how to open it, and then he broke the screen. So this is a expensive screen, so it's not good to just practice on it. Uh, Even though you have a lot of money to buy, but it is not a good practice. So guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel, and at least now you can uh, like know if the screen have no display, and after you open the device, the iMac, and then you pin some pin on the cable, then suddenly there's no display, nothing at all, and but you hear the chime, and you know it's working, but there is no display. So just check, maybe the fuse busted, and then realign the pin pin of the cable, then make sure it is not shorted. Then you can put a jumper for temporary, but it is not advisable. Like what I did, I just put a jumper on the fuse to make to just to show you that if that is really the problem. Guys, that's the end of our video. I hope you get some little knowledge from what I explain or what I show you. Then please subscribe to my channel, and take care, and God bless. Bye.